Hey guys, it's Genie, and Penelope is not here today because I'm at my house and I'm doing my own video. I hope that's okay with her, but so today I'm going to be making a craft and I'm going to be making another one of these. Focus. Going to be making another one of these. It's way better. And I made this yesterday, and that's with the blue clay, and so now I'm going to do it with the yellow. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna get onto it. Okay, and so, first of all, you need clay. I like my clay scented, so obviously it's scented. It's scented like this awesome fragrance. But, got some yellow, some yellow clay right here. And, this is just going to be the base of it. And then I have a marker. And I have glittery nail polish. So, first of all, I split my clay into 3 sections. Okay, so I split them pretty even, semi-even. And I'm just going to roll them into thin strips. Now, obviously, this one is going to be a little, this poop emoji, I guess you can call it, is going to be a little, obviously, a little smaller, than the one that I made yesterday, but that's perfectly fine because all of my creations are not the same. So, last section doesn't take that long to roll out one section, so this process won't take you very long. Oh, and guys, make sure to subscribe to me and Mia's channel. This is my second video that we made, but me and Mia made a video together, and it was a ramen noodle challenge. I know, right? First video starting off with a challenge. But finally, guys, I have phone storage. I've been making my own videos that I've never been able to post on YouTube. So, but now I have. But I'm going to start off with 1 strip of clay. This is the clay that I'm going to be using. And I will pick you guys up and show you what's going on in just a second. So, I take this strip of clay and I just simply roll it into a tiny boop. And it does not have to be, it doesn't have to be very perfect. It's just a little poop, okay? Just to start off. And so, now I'm going to take the other strip of clay, and the second swirl, as you can see, I'm going to start it right there and just roll it out, and just roll it up. Now, obviously that did not turn up good, but your point turned out good. But okay, I'm just gonna start again. Oh, it's gonna take a long time. I really do hope this video is not gonna be that long. But, so I'm gonna start off with a tiny piece of clay and way thicker. And then I'm just gonna roll this out. Okay, and then second strip. I'm gonna make it more round. And then I take my last strip and go on with it around the bottom and middle part. Now, obviously, this poop did not turn out good at all, but I'm going to stick with it. Yeah, definitely not good at all. I'm gonna make one more, and then I'll be right back. Does this even do anything? Never mind. What does this even do? Never mind.